TOS 6 Photos App Tutorial. Install Photos on TOS 6. Firstly, make sure your TNAS has TOS 6 installed and running. Log into TOS, go to App Center, search for Photos, and install it. Click the Photos icon to enable the app after installation. Introduction to Personal Space, Public Space and Media Indexing. To use the Photos app, you must enable Media Indexing. Media Indexing scans multimedia files in designated folders and adds them to the index library, allowing photos to access them quickly. Personal Space, located in the Home directory. The app automatically creates a Photos folder here, visible only to the user. Ideal for storing private photos. Public Space, the app automatically creates a Photos shared folder. Accessible to all NAS users. Suitable for sharing family or group photos. You can upload photos to the desired space via the file management interface. Personal Space, default location is Home, Photos, Private. Public Space, default location is Photos, Shared. To index a media folder, select your photo directory and indexing type. After indexing finishes, thumbnails generated, photos will appear in Photos. Timeline View. Photos also features a timeline view, allowing you to browse your photos chronologically. You can quickly jump to photos from a specific date by scrolling through the timeline. You can also click any date on the timeline to instantly jump to that corresponding section. Album Management. Album Management lets you quickly find photos by theme, like family trips or pet moments. You can create multiple albums to organize your photos by theme. Click New Album, then name it to create. Simply select photos and drag them into the album to categorize. Folder Mode. In addition to album management, Photos also supports folder mode. In folder mode, you can instantly view photos within any directory, no need to create separate albums. This is perfect for managing libraries already organized by folders. AI Smart Categorization. First-time AI feature usage requires an internet connection. During AI processing, expect high CPU/memory load and extended processing time. Please wait patiently. AI face recognition and scene classification require manual activation. Once enabled, processing follows this order: faces, scenes, locations. This is resource intensive and may take time. Consider running it during idle periods. Once face recognition is complete, you can merge or reorganize the group results. Photos also offers flexible sharing options. Securely share anything from family gatherings to work documents with ease. Shared with me, photos shared by others will appear in this dedicated section. Internal sharing, share photos or albums directly with other users on your NAS. External sharing, generate shareable links/QR codes with customizable expiry dates, passwords, and access permissions, perfect for friends and family. In summary, Photos delivers a complete photo management solution through dual space organization, personal and public storage areas, flexible cataloging, album/folder hybrid management, AI-powered sorting, auto-tagging of faces, scenes, and locations. If you haven't tried Photos yet, log into your TOS now and experience the convenience of intelligent photo management.